All right, so anyway, I just received this. It's a Reikiya C10 handheld vacuum cordless. Let's take a look at it. Here it comes. It's coming out slowly but surely. It's gonna drop. Hang in there. Here it comes. Almost there. Got it. All right, let's set that there. All right, so this is it here. It comes out. Get rid of that box, right? Let's just back it up a little bit. All right, we got a little zipper here. Let's unzip it. Cha-ching! There it is. Look at it. Interesting. All right, so we've got to take all this stuff off. So here we go. I'm going to pop that. Set that over here for now. Get this one. And we unveil our product. There it is. Wow, look at it. Looks pretty cool. All right, let's set that down. Let's see what we got in here. These are a number of different types of heads. It's weird, look, they're different sizes. It's got a big hole, a little bit smaller, tinier, and more suction. All right, so we got those, and then we got this, which is all wrapped up in this plastic stuff. So let's see if we can get the plastic off of it. All right, here we go. All right, we're almost there. Okay, we got it. We got it. All right, so that's that. Okay, that's a filter in there. And what is this? I think this could be some kind of control. Nope. This is another, oh, this is like a crevice tool. And it has this little thing that pops forward, and it has little brushes on it. Goes back. Okay, so this, I think, has to go on either this here or this here. So we've got to look, and we've got like these little thingamaboobs right there. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. I think that's it right there. Hang on. Push it in. And do I turn it? Or do I just put it in there like that? Pop it up. Let's see if it goes on this side. Oh, wait a minute. There's the side that it goes on. All right, what's that? Oh, that's a little door. All right, so then I would take this and put it on there like that. And then if I want, I can use it as a crevice tool like that, or I can pop this forward and we can do like, zzz. All right, so we've got that. All right, I think that this is the button back here to turn it on. So let's press it, see what happens. All right, so nothing's happening. I think we're gonna have to charge it. Usually they come with a little bit of a charge in. Oh, there we go. So the air's coming out of here. I can move it like this, make it stronger. It's really blowing my hair. And I can feel the suction down here. There's 100. That's as high as it goes. And that's 1. And then if I press this again and hold it, it turns off. So we've got a charge in it. Let's pop this off. And I guess we can take this off of here, right? And it looks like you can do these for like a blower. Or would we do it like a hair dryer maybe on this side? And so then you would turn it on, right? And it blows out of here. So now you can blow stuff. So I'm not sure, how that, I guess that works that way. And then this would be on this side for the what do you call it? I guess depending on how you want to put it on there. You could either have it facing that way, or I guess I could do it like this and have it that way. I don't know which would work the best, but you have to play with it a little bit. I think that's the way it would be best. And so these don't go on, these go on this side for blowing, all right? So these are for blowing, and this is for the suction. Or you could just do it like this, right? Turn it on. We're gonna have to try it out and see what we think. So that's everything that comes in the box, okay? Now it does come with, I think, a cable to charge it. Let's just take a look and see. Yeah, So it's got a USB-C that you plug into to a USB-A. And we could probably use that. We'll put that over there. And then it also, you know, if you don't want to try to figure the puzzle out yourself, you can always use the instructions, which we should probably read, right? We already figured it out. Oh, look it. You can blow shit up with this. So this is a way, like if I wanted to blow up my paddleboard or my kites, I could use it. That's that. Yeah, that would work great. That's cool. So I could use this to blow my kites up if I wanted to. And I would probably use something like this to stick inside the area to blow them up. Or maybe one of these things. But that's it right there. All right, so we're going to have to try this out and see what we think. Now, when you put it away, you got to go like this. You know what I mean? You got to put all these like that, all right? So then you set those in there, set that in there, and set this in here, maybe somehow. Or maybe you could do this. Like, no, you can't do it like that. But let's put this, first of all, let's start with this, all right? I'm going to put this in here like that, okay? Now these, what the hell? How did I have this thing? Oh, we got to push this back, that's why. Now it's another puzzle we got to figure out. So I think that this would be like this. Don't you? Like if we put it like that and then put this here, don't you think that would work? Okay, that did work. So let's zip it up until we use this again. It looks like it's going to be cool. I can't wait to try it out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff with this. Peace out.